Let's grow some food. This is Dr. Fox with the continuation of Lesson 1. Today we're talking about Apiaceae, which is the family that carrots belong to. There aren't a lot of members, as we mentioned, but there's a wide variety. Notice that there are some short season and some longer season. Carrots are not easy to grow in the ground. They require pretty loose soil, and if they don't get it, you can get knotted up carrots. They're also relatively heavy feeders. They are cold tolerant. As you can see, most of them take quite a while to develop thoroughly. They're also not easy to start from seeds. I have recently learned a trick, which is to pour boiling water over the seeds, and that gets a quicker germination. You can also find seed starts at the store, which might be a lot easier. Homegrown carrots are so much more flavorful than the carrots you buy in the store, so it might be worth your effort. I've stopped trying to grow them in the ground and have used planters instead, and now I'm experimenting with hydroponics. Next up is parsley. Parsley is also cold tolerant. It's a lot easier to grow than carrots. There are two main types, the curly type and the flat leaf type, suitable for ground or hydroponics. Pretty rugged, as you can see. This volunteer showed up at the doorway of my garage. Next up is dill. Both the seed and the herb is used for cooking. I love fresh dill in a salad. Dill will get really, really big in the garden, but you can keep it under control in a hydroponic unit, which is what I tend to do. Since we're talking about herbs, I thought we'd throw in a few miscellaneous herbs that are not in the Apiaceae family. Basil is very popular. It's very easy to grow, and the easiest thing to do is to take cuttings and reroot them from the plant you already have. Basil is tender. It will not stand up to a frost. Rosemary and sage, on the other hand, will overwinter. My plants are about 10 years old and have sustained temperatures as low as 12 degrees. If you're going to plant them, don't plant them in your garden. Find a nice place where they can be there permanently. Oregano and thyme are also cold hardy, and they're nice to have around. Don't ever plant mint or lemon balm because they will take over. They're extremely invasive. That's it for Apiaceae and miscellaneous herbs. Make sure to check out the other families.